Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Facebook two-factor authentication to protect your identity. Full guide step by step clearly. Open your Facebook app or visit the Facebook website. Log into your Facebook account with your username and password. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen. Click on the downward-facing arrow to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the drop-down menu. Next, click on Settings. In the left-hand column, find and click on Security and Login. Look for the section labeled Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Edit next to the Use Two-Factor Authentication option. You may be prompted to enter your password again for security purposes. Choose your preferred method for receiving authentication codes. You can opt for a text message, authentication app. If you select text message, enter your phone number and click Continue. Facebook will send a verification code to your phone. Enter the code you received and click Continue. If you choose Authentication app, download an app like Google Authenticator or Authy. Open the Authentication app and follow the instructions to add your Facebook account. Scan the QR code displayed on your Facebook screen using the app. Enter the code generated by the app into Facebook and click Continue. If you select Security Key, you'll need to plug in or tap your key when prompted. Once you have successfully completed the setup, click on Finish. You will then see an option to set up recovery codes. Click on Setup to generate recovery codes, which can be used if you can't access your two-factor authentication method. Make sure to save these codes in a secure location. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, log out of your account and log back in to test your two-factor authentication. Once you log in, you should receive a prompt for your authentication code. That's it. Your Facebook account is now better protected with two-factor authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.